Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are here at Team Power Wheels. This is the place where I had got my headers done, and you can see this Eon here. This is my friend Aziz. He's all the way come from Kerala to get this, a custom-made muffler done, basically a free flow. So stay tuned. I'll be showing you the installation and how it's going to sound after the installation. Full load. Full muddy. Hi guys. So what you can hear now is the stock noise. Now let's see how it sounds after the muffler. This is the stock pipe which is there. Look at the stock muffler. This is the stock muffler.
Okay, then the start
Guys, this is a stock muffler. See, you can see how huge and big this is, and I'll be showing you the muffler. This is the modified muffler.
model വ്യത്യാസമുണ്ട് എൻ്റെ വണ്ടി ഇപ്പോൾ ഈ വണ്ടി വന്നിട്ട് 2015 മോഡലാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിന് എന്താ പ്രശ്നം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു വെച്ചാൽ 12 മോഡൽ വണ്ടീൻ്റെ കസ്റ്റമേഡ് അപ്രോച്ച്
Guys, so we've installed the free flow muffler. Let's hear how it sounds.